It's raining helter skelter, man. So today it's in the evening and look, the mountain is clouded, it's foggy, and the rain is coming. You can see some drizzling onto my head. So all of a sudden our village is green. Just 2 months back it was dry like. So look at how things change. So please be patient with yourselves. Whatever you do it, be consistent, but be patient. Like right now, look, it's bushy over here. Everything is bushy. Actually, this is a vegetable, nimboga, and we use it here. A local made. In Luo it is called soy. Very nice, very sweet, delicious. Today I just want to encourage you. Be patient with what you do. Be consistent. Do it to your level best. So look, in 3 weeks time, this maize will be ready and we'll be eating it. Watch this space. So it's raining. I'm waiting for it to pour. Then now we can go ahead with our activities. It's almost 4 in the evening, and right now when it rains here, the soil is not intact. In fact, our roads are already damaged. So moving once it rains, it won't be possible. So we'll have to wait till tomorrow so that we continue with our daily routines, daily activities. So guys, consider subscribing before going ahead. Please promote me. Let's get to 100. Actually I'm at 50, so 100 subscribers. So thank you for watching. Support me. My bio down there, look for it, and then comment, like, so that we can grow. So thank you so much.